Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed when life throws you a curveball? We've all been there, but don't worry. Today we'll show you how to navigate life's craziest moments with ease and grace. Step 1. Take a deep breath. Inhale positivity, exhale negativity. Remember, you can handle anything that comes your way. Step 2. Embrace the chaos. Instead of resisting, learn to go with the flow. Life may be unpredictable, but that's what makes it exciting. Step 3. Find your anchor. Whether it's a close friend, a pet, or a comforting hobby, having something or someone to rely on can bring stability in the midst of chaos. Step 4. Acceptance is key. Sometimes things won't go as planned, and that's okay. Embrace the idea that uncertainty is a part of life and trust that everything will work out in the end. Step 5. Take a step back. When things get overwhelming, it's important to pause and reassess. Look at the bigger picture and identify what truly matters. Step 6. Surround yourself with positivity. Seek out positive influences and surround yourself with people who uplift and inspire you. Their support will be invaluable when faced with crazy moments. Step 7. Laugh it off. Laughter truly is the best medicine. Find humor in life's absurdities and remind yourself not to take everything too seriously. Step 8. Learn from the experience. Every crazy moment is an opportunity for growth. Take the lessons learned and use them to become stronger, wiser, and more resilient. In conclusion, life may throw us unexpected curveballs, but with the right mindset and strategies, we can navigate through even the craziest moments with grace. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tips on living a fulfilling life.